Okay, so this is the big benefit of a universal philosophy. It says it applies to everybody. Well, looks, that doesn't, you know, 205 or 206 countries in the world, and you've got something that applies to everybody. It's a bit strange, isn't it? No, it says liberal theory. There are some value structures that apply to all of us. You couldn't have the United Nations without it. It couldn't tell you that the Universal Declaration of Human Rights without this idea of values that apply to all of us just because we are humans. Now, the idea is to test that as well. Why is sport universal? Why does everybody play football? It's because the values are specified at a very thin level at the top. There are these rules, and we all have to abide by just these rules. But there are lots of things about football that aren't rules specified. So Brazilian football is different from Italian football, from British football, from German football, from Spanish football. It's culturally specific, but acknowledges that there are these universal general rules that apply to everybody.
I'd like to illuminate a topic that resonates with each of us, yet often dwells in the shadows of our bustling lives: mental health awareness. In our pursuit of academic and professional excellence, we frequently sideline the very engine of our aspirations: our mental well-being. A study from the American Psychological Association revealed that 1 in 3 college students experience significant difficulty due to depression, and over 40% feel overwhelming anxiety. These aren't just numbers. They're a reflection of silent struggles that many among us endure. Moreover, the veil of stigma that shrouds mental health issues can lead to isolation. By fostering open conversations, we dismantle this stigma. We empower those grappling with mental challenges to seek support, be it through counseling, peer discussions, or mindfulness practices. After all, the strength of a community is gauged by how it uplifts its most vulnerable members. As we stand on the cusp of our futures, let us pledge to prioritize mental health with the same vigor we apply to our academic endeavors. For in nurturing our minds, we don't just better ourselves, we create a ripple effect that enriches our entire community. Today we delve into the essence of adaptability, a trait not just desirable but essential in our fast-paced world. The ability to adapt is what enables us to navigate the unpredictable tides of life, particularly in our university years, which are a microcosm of the larger journey ahead. Imagine adaptability as a muscle. The more we exercise it, the stronger it becomes. Engaging with diverse cultures and perspectives on campus strengthens this muscle, equipping us with the flexibility to appreciate and assimilate varying viewpoints. It turns the unfamiliar into the familiar, fostering an environment where innovation thrives. Furthermore, adaptability enhances our resilience. It's not the strongest of species that survives, nor the most intelligent, but the one most responsive to change, as Darwin posited. As we learn to pivot rather than pause in the face of change, we build a foundation for not just surviving but thriving in our chosen fields post-graduation. Let's embrace adaptability, not as a challenge, but as the key to unlocking a world of possibilities. In this global village, cultural empathy emerges as a beacon of unity amidst our diverse backgrounds. It is the heartfelt understanding that the world is a mosaic of cultures, each piece as significant as the other. Encountering a culture different from our own can be like stepping into a new world. It's the subtle art of listening and the quiet humility of learning that bridges the gap. When we travel or interact with international students, we're not just exchanging words, we're sharing pieces of our heritage. Moreover, cultural empathy extends beyond mere tolerance. It's about celebration and participation. It's one thing to acknowledge festivals from around the world. It's another to dance to the rhythm of foreign melodies and taste the spice of exotic cuisines. This is how we weave the threads of understanding and respect into the fabric of our everyday lives. Let us, as students and future leaders, champion the cause of cultural empathy, for it is the path to a more cohesive, compassionate, and peaceful world. Imagine a world where the lush green canopies of the Amazon no longer teem with life, where the coral reefs are silent, bereft of their colorful denizens. Our planet's natural habitats are in peril, and their preservation is imperative, not just for the flora and fauna that call them home, but for humanity itself. Each ecosystem plays a critical role in the delicate balance of nature. Forests act as the Earth's lungs, purifying the air we breathe, while oceans regulate the climate. The loss of these habitats leads to the extinction of species, each a thread in the intricate web of life. Once gone, these threads cannot be rewoven. As inheritors of the Earth, the onus is on us, the educated youth, to be the vanguards of conservation. Simple actions like supporting sustainable products and reducing waste contribute to a larger collective effort. In safeguarding nature's sanctuaries, we secure the future for generations to come.